Imagine you're a Nigerian tech enthusiast, passionate about cryptocurrencies and blockchain. You've heard about Coinbase Wallet, its reputation for security and user-friendliness. But a burning question lingers: is Coinbase Wallet actually available in Nigeria? Context and background. Before we dive into the answer, let's understand a bit about Coinbase Wallet. It's a non-custodial wallet, meaning you have complete control over your private keys. This means your funds are solely yours, unlike custodial wallets where a third party manages them. This level of control is particularly important in regions where financial regulations might be less stringent or where trust in traditional financial institutions might be limited. Addressing the main question, is Coinbase Wallet available in Nigeria? The short answer is yes, Coinbase Wallet is indeed available in Nigeria. You can download the app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. However, there are a few things you need to be aware of. Firstly, while the app itself is available, not all Coinbase Wallet features might be accessible to Nigerian users. This could include certain cryptocurrencies or specific functionalities. It's essential to check the app's terms of service and supported features for Nigeria. Secondly, due to local regulations, there might be limitations on how you can use Coinbase Wallet. For instance, you might not be able to buy or sell cryptocurrencies directly within the app. However, you can still store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies. Benefits of using Coinbase Wallet in Nigeria. Despite the limitations, there are several benefits to using Coinbase Wallet in Nigeria. Security. Coinbase Wallet is known for its robust security features, including fingerprint or Face ID authentication and advanced encryption. This helps protect your funds from unauthorized access. User-friendliness. The app is designed to be intuitive and easy to use, even for beginners. You can easily manage your cryptocurrencies, send and receive payments, and explore different dApps. Integration with Coinbase Exchange. If you have a Coinbase account, you can easily transfer funds between your exchange account and your wallet. This can be convenient for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. Access to DeFi. Coinbase Wallet provides access to decentralized finance, DeFi, protocols. This allows you to participate in various financial activities, such as lending, borrowing, and staking. Tips for using Coinbase Wallet in Nigeria. Here are a few tips to help you make the most of Coinbase Wallet in Nigeria. Stay updated. Keep your app and firmware updated to ensure you have access to the latest features and security patches. Back up your seed phrase. Your seed phrase is the key to your wallet. Store it securely in a safe place. Be cautious of scams. Be wary of phishing attempts and fraudulent websites. Never share your seed phrase with anyone. Understand local regulations. Familiarize yourself with Nigerian cryptocurrency regulations to avoid any legal issues. In conclusion, Coinbase Wallet is a viable option for Nigerians looking to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies. While there might be some limitations, the benefits in terms of security, user-friendliness, and access to DeFi make it a worthwhile choice. Just remember to use it responsibly and stay informed about local regulations. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.